listen next. Already we finished 3 questions. Today let us see 4th question. Okay. A is 5, 6, B set is 4, 5, 6, C set is 5, 6, 7. Okay. You will find A into A is equal to B into B, intersection C into C. Okay. This is left hand side, this is right hand side. First we will take left hand side. Left hand side, what is this? A into A. So A is 5, 6 into 5, 6. Okay. So already we know. So first set from you take first number, next we finish the second set. Okay. So first 5, 5, 6. First number is over. Next we will take second number. Okay. Second number will take it and finish this set. So 6, 5, 6, 6. So A into A is over. Left hand side is over. So this is will take 1. Next right hand side. Right hand side first we find B into B, after C into C. Next we find intersection. So B into B is equal to B is 4, 5, 6. So into B. So again you should write 4, 5, 6. Okay. Next we will take first number from the first set. So finish the second set. So 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Okay. Next first number over. Next we take second number. 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Next 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. B into B over. Next we find C into C. Okay. C into C equal to C is 5, 6, 7. So into 5, 6, 7. So first you take first number. 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7. First number over. Next you take second number. So 6, 5, 6, 6, 6, 7. Next 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7. So C into C over. Okay. Next we find B into B, intersection C into C. Okay. Intersection means the common elements only we take. So okay, common elements, what are they? This 4, 4 not there. Next 4, 5 is not there. 4, 6, 5, 4. Next 5, 5. So here also there 5, 5. So common elements only we take 5, 5. Okay. Next 5, 6 there. So 5, 6. Here also 5, 6. Here also 5, 6. Next 6, 4 not there. Next is 6, 5. So here are 6, 5, 6, 5. Intersection means common elements only we will take. Next is 6, 6. So here also 6, 6. So this is will take number 2. So from 1 and 2 listen. From 1 and 2. 1 also 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. Next 2 also 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. Okay. So from 1 and 2. Left hand side equal to right hand side. Okay. From 1 and 2 left hand side, right hand side. So A into A is equal to B into B, intersection C into C, hence verified. Okay. Next, fifth question. Next, fifth question, A equal to 1, 2, 3, B equal to 2, 3, 5, C equal to 3, 4, D 1, 3, 5 with A into C, A intersection C in cross B intersection C is equal to A cross B intersection C cross D we want to prove. Okay. So first we will take LHS. LHS is A intersection C. First find A intersection C. So A intersection C, intersection means common elements only. Take common elements 2, 3. So A intersection C 2, 3. Next we find B intersection C. So B intersection C common elements 3 only. Yes, 3, 3. Next we find A intersection C cross B intersection C. Okay. So A intersection C is 2, 3. B intersection C is 3. So first we multiply. So first element you take and finish 2, 3. Next 3, 3. This is over. Left hand side over. Okay. So I'll take 1. Next now right hand side. Right hand side first we find A cross B. A cross B. A is 1, 2, 3. B is 2, 3, 5. So A cross B first we take first element 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5. Finished first. Next we take second element 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5. Second element over. Next we take third element 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5. So A cross B over. Next we find C cross D. So C cross D equal to C is 3, 4. Next D is 1, 3, 5. So I'll take first element. First element is 3, 1. So 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. We take first element from the first set. Next we finish the second set. So 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. Next we take second number. So 4, 1, 4, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So next we find A cross B intersection C cross D. Okay. So intersection means already I told common element only will take. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5 is not 3, 2, 3, 3. So 3, 3, 3, 3 is there. So next 3, 5, 3, 5. So this is 2. So from 1 and 2, one is 2, 3, 3, 3. First 2 is 3, 3, 3, 5. So this is not equal from 1 and 2. Left hand side not equal right hand side. Okay. You understood? Listen. Next, A is equal to X belongs to W. W means whole number. X belongs to W such that X less than 2. Okay. This W means whole number. Whole number starts from 0. Okay. Whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay. Whole number every time starts from 0. Okay. So X less than 2. So less than 2, what are the numbers there? 0, 1 only. So because less than or equal to 2 is there, means we will take 2 also will take. But less than only is here. So we'll take 0, 1. So A equal to 0, 1. Okay. Next. B is equal to X belongs to N such that 1 less than X less than or equal to 4. Okay. So N means natural number. N means natural number. Natural number always starts from 1 only. Okay. Whole number start from 0. Natural number starts from 1. So given 1 less than X less than or equal to 4. So start from 1. Okay. So 2, 3, 4 also it take because downside have less than or equal. So it will take 4 also we will take. So B is equal to 2, 3, 4. Because C is already given in the question. C equal to 3, 5. So A and B only we find. Okay. So A equal to 0, 1. B equal to 2, 3, 4. So A equal to 0, 1. B is equal to 2, 3, 4. C equal to 3, 5. Okay. First question is A cross B union C is equal to A cross B union A cross C. Okay. So first we'll take left hand side. So left hand side first do in the bracket B union C. So B union C means you combine the element. Union means you combine the element. Intersection means common elements only it takes. So 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 2 times is there. Here also and here also. So we'll try to one time only. 2, 3, 4, 5. Next A cross B union C is equal to A is 0, 1 cross B union C 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So first element we take 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5 over. Okay. Next we will take 1. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. Okay. This is left hand side over. So this is 1. Next we take right hand side. Right hand side is first we find A cross B. Okay. So A cross B. A is 0, 1 cross B is 2, 3, 4. So 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. Next 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. So A cross B over. Next A cross C. Okay. So A cross C is equal to A is 0, 1. C is 3, 5. So 0, 3, 0, 5. Next 1, 3, 1, 5. Okay. Next we find A cross B union A cross C. Union means already I told combine the elements. So 0, so A cross B 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. Already is 0, 3 is there. So 0, extra 0, 5 is there. So first we find 0 elements. Okay. So 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. Okay, 0 is over. Next 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. 1, 3 here also there. So leave it. So only one time only write 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. So 3, 1, 4, 1, 5. So this is 2. So from 1 and 2, 1 is watch. 1 is 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 1. 2 also watch. So from 1 and 2, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Next, second and third. Homework. Okay, if you have any doubt, ask to me. Okay, thank you, students.